Institutions and Measures. Question 1. Consider the following statements with reference to the South Asia Wildlife Enforcement Network, SON. 1. It is formed to strengthen ties with the member countries in controlling the transboundary wildlife crime through communication, cooperation in the region. 2. Countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India is among its members. 3. SON operates from the Secretariat based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. Consider the following statements with reference to the National Tiger Conservation Authority. 1. The Wildlife Protection Amendment Act of 2006 provides for the constitution of this statutory authority. 2. It has powers to approve the tiger conservation plan prepared by the state government. 3. It has powers to evaluate and assess various aspects of sustainable ecology and disallow any ecologically unsustainable land use such as mining, industry and other projects within tiger reserves. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. With reference to the National Afforestation and Eco-Development Board, NEB, consider the following statements. 1. It is a statutory body which has been set up as per the provisions of the Forest Rights Act, 2006. 2. It gives special attention to the regeneration of degraded forest areas and lands adjoining forest areas. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements in context of National Clean Energy Fund. 1. It has been created out of cess on crude oil produced imported under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, MoPNG. 2. It was built on the polluter pays principle to hold emitters of carbon dioxide responsible for the pollution. 3. NCEF is one of the sources of climate financing in India to support mitigation and adaptation actions that will address climate change. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Acts and Policies. Question 5. Consider the following laws related to the environment. 1. Indian Forest Act, 1927. 2. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. 3. Forest Act, Conservation, 1980. 4. Environment Protection Act, 1986. 5. Public Liability Insurance Act, 1991. 6. Biological Diversity Act, 2002. 7. Forest Rights Act, 2006. Which of the above acts have some bearing on the authority of National Green Tribunal, NGT? A. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. B. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 only. C. 3, 4, 5 and 6 only. D. 2, 3, 4 and 6 only. Question 6. With reference to the Environment Protection Act, 1986, consider the following statements. 1. The genesis of the Act is in Article 48A and Article 51A, G, of the Indian Constitution. 2. The Act empowers the civil courts to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect of an action or order issued by the central government. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Consider the following statements with reference to the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers, Recognition of Forest Rights, Act, 2006, 1. The term minor forest produce is defined under this Act. 2. The nodal agency for the implementation of the Act is MOI FCC. 3. The Gram Panchayat has been designated as the competent authority for initiating the process of determining the nature and extent of individual or community forest rights or both. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 8. Government has brought some changes in the categorization of bamboo. In this regard, consider the following statements. 1. The Forest Conservation Act, 1980 was amended to remove bamboo from the category of timber and enlisted it under the category of grass. 2. The bamboo grown in forest areas continues to be defined as timber. 3. The Forests Rights Act, FRA, 2006 classifies bamboo as a non-timber forest product. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 9. With reference to India, consider the following environmental acts. 1. Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution, Act, 1974. 2. Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution, Act, 1981. 3. Forest Conservation Act, 1980. 4. Environment Protection Act, 1986. 5. Forest Rights Act, 2006. 6. A Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution, Cess Act of 1977. Which among the above acts empowers the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB? A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 only. B. 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. C. 1, 2, 4 and 6 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 6 only. Question 10. Consider the following pollutants. 1. PM10. 2. Arsenic. 3. Lead. 4. Nickel. 5. Benzene. 6. Carbon monoxide, CO. 7. Ammonia, NH3. Which of the above pollutants are common to both the National Air Quality Index, AQI, and National Ambient Air Quality Standards, NAQS? A. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. C. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. D. 1, 3, 6 and 7.